Define the economic choice of transmission voltage. The transmission voltage for which the expense of conductors, expense of insulators, transformers, switchgear and other terminal apparatus is least is known as economic transmission voltage. If transmission voltage is expanded, the volume of conductor material needed is diminished. The transmission voltage is expanded, the expense of protecting the conductors, expense of transformers, switch apparatus and other terminal device additionally increments. Method of finding economical transmission voltage. Expense increments gradually with the increment in transmission voltage. Expense likewise increments with increment in transmission voltage. Expense increments quickly with the increment in transmission voltage. Expense increments rapidly with the increment in transmission voltage. Expense diminishes with the increment in transmission voltage. Transmission voltage versus capital cost curve. This is an alternate technique for discovering the expense, however not utilized generally because of less exactness. The curve is drawn for aggregate expense of transmission against voltage. The lowest point P on the curve gives the ideal transmission voltage. Mathematical expression. In this equation, power to be transmitted and separation of transmission line have been considered. If the separation of transmission line is expanded, the expense of terminal apparatus is diminished, bringing about higher economic transmission voltage. Now also, if power to be transmitted is large creating and transforming units can be utilized. This diminishes the expense every kilowatt of the terminal station equipment.